Hey, it's Harker from Paper. We just changed how hover selection works by default in Paper. We've heard a lot of feedback from users using Figma and Paper that they're experiencing some friction when switching back and forth between the two tools. So now everything is aligned. So here's the default behavior now. When I hover over any design, it's going to select the parent, and I can either double click to select the object I want or a child inside here, or I can hold down Command, and this basically lets me do a deep select. Now, the old behavior was not an accident. Our team made the intentional decision to default to what we call deep selection. And if you like the way that worked, it's still an option for you. You'll just need to go to your project settings and enable use deep selection. And the way this works is when you hover over any object in your design, it's going to grab the frame that is closest to that object. So for example, if I'm hovering over this tagged coffee, it's going to select this tag badge frame, and then I can again use Command if I want to grab that tagged coffee text element itself. We also shipped a handy shortcut right beside this, where you can see a whole list of all the layers under your cursor by holding down Command and right-clicking. So if I hold down Command and right-click here, you'll see the whole frame, how it works, and then every single layer all the way down to the rectangle that we clicked on. So in Paper, you get the freedom to design how you want. Whether that's deep selection or top layer selection, you get to choose from the settings panel. Just note that the way it works by default is that top layer selection matching Figma's. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to follow us on social channels, join our community on Slack and Discord, and of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Not only so you don't miss updates that we make to the product, but also so you can provide feedback, because as demonstrated by this feature launch and this video, we really love hearing what users think, and we try our best to implement that feedback.